So today we will study about profit maximization. So what is profit? Profit is denoted by P. So profit is basically revenue minus cost. Now writing it as a function, profit function equals to revenue function minus cost function. Now here we get this. Now differentiating it with respect to Q, where we get R dash Q minus C dash Q equals to 0. Okay, so R dash Q equals to C dash Q. Okay, so now we can consider R is equals to the so the revenue is the revenue. So here we can consider that R is equals to RQ. Basically R is the revenue function and C equals to CQ. From this we get to know that the derivative of R revenue function gave us the marginal revenue. Okay, we get the marginal revenue, and derivative of cost function give us the marginal cost. So basically if we derivate this total revenue function, we get the marginal revenue function, and we derivate the cost function, we get the marginal cost. So here marginal revenue is equals to marginal cost. Okay, now we will consider an example where we are given the revenue function as 1200 q minus 2q square, and the cost function as q cube minus 61.25 q square plus 1528.5 q plus 2000. Here now we know the formula, we will put it in this. By this we obtain the profit function as minus q cube plus 59.25 q square minus 328.5 q minus 2000. Now to obtain the to maximize the revenue, we have to derivate it. So by derivating with respect to q, we get minus 3q square plus 118.5 q minus 328.5 equals to 0. Now we have to find the value of q. So to find the value of q, we will put this in the quadratic equation. So basically the quadratic equation is quadratic equation is b square equals to root d equals to b square minus 4ac. After obtaining the root d, we will follow the next step where we get minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. By solving by quadratic equation process, we get the value of q as 3 and q as 36.5. Now here we will double derivate. Okay, so if we double derivate, we will get d square pi upon dq square equals to minus 6q plus 118.5. Okay, so we will put the value of q here. Here we will get, if we put at 3, we will get the value at 3, the value will be more than 0 because the minus sign would not affect the equation because 118.5 is a greater value. Okay, and at 36.5 we will get it as less than 0. So when it is more than 0, it is a minima. When it is less than 0, it is a maxima. So we get to know that at 36.5 it is a maximum. Now we have to maximize the profit. Now putting 36.5 in the original equation, no, in the profit equation, this, after putting it here, we will get the profit equation as equals to 16,163,18.44. So we can write that at 36.5 the profit is maximized and the total profit is this.